Hi, welcome to the DEX self-service overview and demo. Ken, an employee, relies on various tools and applications to do his job. When issues arise on his device, he struggles to identify and fix them quickly, leading to longer resolution times and work disruptions. To help Ken, we have the DEX self-service solution, enabling employees to check the real-time device health, identify issues, and quickly resolve them using suggested remediations. This experience is accessible via a self-service widget in Desktop Assistant and Employee Center, or conversationally through Now Assist-enabled virtual agent. This helps organizations move towards a zero-touch service desk model while boosting employee productivity. Let's take a look at the demo. Ken has been facing several device issues, from poor device performance to MS Teams not working smoothly. To diagnose the problem, he opens the Desktop Assistant client and clicks on Device Health Check. Here, he is presented with a real-time view of his device's health, where he notices multiple issues. Going into device performance, which has two actions required from him, he sees that his computer needs to be restarted and that the disk space is low, with the suggested remedial action to clear the disk space. With one click, the disk cleanup is triggered, and once the action completes, the device data will refresh to confirm if the issue is resolved. Here we see that the number of actions have reduced to 1 and the disk cleanup is successful. Everything looks good with respect to network stability. Next, under Application Experience, Ken says that MS Teams has crashed several times and a reinstall is suggested. Instead of triggering the action from here, Ken can even take proactive steps without any detected issues under the Device Actions tab, like cleaning up of disk space or reinstalling any application directly from here. Since he just triggered disk cleanup from the Diagnose tab, this action will be disabled for a fixed duration based on configuration. Ken goes ahead and reinstalls the MS Teams application from here. The action is successfully completed. He also goes back to the Diagnose tab and he sees that now there are no actions to be triggered for application performance as the action was just completed from the Device Actions tab. This self-service widget is also accessible from Employee Center, either from within the software and hardware topic pages as embedded widgets, or from the quick links where the users can access the Device Health Check page. This page provides the exact same device health check experience as we just saw in Desktop Assistant. For employees who prefer a more conversational approach, DEX self-service can also be accessed through the Now Assist-enabled virtual agent. Ken comes back to Desktop Assistant to access virtual agent, where he types in his concern: having issues with my laptop. DEX in the backend fetches the real-time health of the device and provides Ken with the details of the device health. Along with actions that Ken can take one by one to improve the health of his device. He starts with the MS Teams application crash, where with his consent, the application is automatically reinstalled. He can see that there are more pending actions. He goes ahead to check the remaining pending actions and decides to also resolve the low disk space issue. He does not want to proceed with the remaining action, so he goes ahead and clicks No. And here you can see both MS Teams application crash as well as low disk space issue have successfully been resolved. He provides his feedback and closes the conversation. With this, we see how employees can leverage DEX to contextually self-solve device-related issues. The self-service experience is customizable, enabling organizations to define the device health topics, configure issue detection criteria, and tailor the remediations presented to employees. Additionally, the success or failure of these resolutions are captured under self-solved percentage and call deflection percentage under success dashboard. Thank you.